Hey guys, this is Marvin Germo here in Singapore. I just finished the second day of our roundtable coaching sessions designed to have a more intimate discussion with our kababayans here interested, fascinated about the world of stock trading and investing, which will culminate this weekend with a bunch of seminars all about technical analysis and how you can trade the markets with ease and confidence. So if you guys are from Singapore, kababayans here, I'm looking forward to see you this weekend for Stock Smarts. Now, I mentioned yesterday that the market failed to reverse. It failed to break out from the downward trend, although it stayed above the 7,700 level. However, today's movement showed us that the 7,700 support level was not so strong. Today's movement showed us as well that the downtrend is still pretty much intact. So why am I saying this? Since we failed to break out, reverse, and go beyond or destroy the downtrend, the 7,700 was put to the test today. And with that, you have to remember this. The 7,700 is a range that's protecting the market from falling. But the trend is always stronger than the range. What do I mean by this? Since the trend is still headed down, since the trend is pretty much stronger, it places a stronger downward pressure than the support that was there. So if there's one thing that I know, if there's one thing that's also pretty much evident, was sellers dominated the 7,700 range, which it should have been the support. However, the absence of buyers in the support resulted, or the absence of the buyers from the 7,700 range just further shows us that the 7,700 range lacks enough buyers to make it actually bounce. Hence, the 6 billion plus worth of selling happening today, which brought the market down to 7,500. So with this, if it fails to start to bounce higher in the next few days, I really believe that the 7,400 level is still pretty much intact, meaning the market can still drop at 7,400 to around 7,400 because of its failure to reverse and break out or go away from the downtrend. So please remember this. I mentioned also in the stocks by request that I posted yesterday that there are several stocks that are still in downtrends. You have the DMCs, the East-West banks, the PLDTs, and majority of the large cap companies are still in downtrend. You have to are still in downtrends. You have to remember this. The index is pretty much just a reflection of the stocks, or collective reflection of all of the stocks that we have in the market. So if all of those stocks are still bearish, if all of those stocks are still in a downtrend, if all of those stocks are still breaking down, you can't really expect a lot of movement happening in the PSEI as well. So there's a lot of posts already that the PSEI is one of the worst performing markets in terms of movement, and it's pretty much true. We're pretty much battered down. That's why for stocks that are in a downtrend, and for those tracking the market, for those tracking the PSEI, as long as it's moving down, as long as it's still bearish, as long as it's still in a downtrend, please stay away from it. Don't come in until you have support, until you have those valid support levels yet. Don't come in until you have those valid reversal signals yet. There will be some stocks that are oversold for quick trading. Of course, you can buy those stocks, make money from the fluctuations. But if you're a position trader, please pretty much wait for their key reversal signals until we see them. Until it's there, the trend is your friend, and it's telling you that it's not yet going up, it's still in a downtrend. And you know what I've been doing over the past few days, if you've been noticing it, I've been posting this PSEI updates as frequent as I can, as daily as I can. I've been getting around more than 500 messages already a day. So apologies to those who have been sending messages via Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also my website, and also to those posting in YouTube. If I can't reply so fast, I do apologize for that, but I'm trying to make these videos collectively to answer a lot of your questions. So do I know when the market will go up? I don't know yet. I don't know how long it will be. Even indicators, price and momentum indicators, are still showing that the trend is still pretty much down. So let's not try to predict where the bottom is. Let's not try to guess or forecast where it will go. But what I know is this: 7,700 is now the resistance. The next probable and stronger support is around 7,400. And if it tries to go to that level, I'll give you an update also on what will happen should 7,400 not hold as well. Now, What's an interesting note to look at also is, what if you are an investor? Again, you can pick already stocks that are relatively cheaper. SM Prime is back already at around 32 plus. Again, at that point, it's relatively cheaper than where it was at 40. However, if you can buy it at a cheaper price, why come in while it's still bearish? All right, so you can be actually more selective. For those who are into dividends, for those who are who appreciate the vast movements of dividends, or the predictability of dividends, now's your chance also to have a higher dividend yield. You have to understand, the lower you buy the stock, the higher your dividend yield will be. So look for stocks that have high dividends. Try to compute the yield. If it's acceptable to you already, then well and good. But for everyone else who wants capital appreciation, do not come in while it's going down. That's it for now. Marvin Germo. I'm excited. Saturday, our main course of technical analysis will be this Saturday. It's amazing, and I just can't wait to meet all of you for those coming. So I hope that you gain a lot of information from this, and I hope that it's not just information, but it's something that will cause you to trade, and not just trade, but trade with confidence, and not just trade with confidence, trade to actually win. That you get to use the stock market to reach your goals of financial freedom. So that's it for now. After Singapore, I'm coming back to Manila pretty much for Icon 2018, the largest conference, investment conference in the Philippines, May 26. 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. We will have speakers from different spheres of expertise. So if you want to know more about investments, join us, Icon 2018, this May 26 at the Samsung Hall, SM Aura. So that's it for now. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. Marvin Germo, making daily videos now all about investing to give you a semblance of winning in the market. So that's it. God bless you all, and see you all again soon.